Hi guys, my name is Alexey Kaczynski and today we are diving into the fascinating world of blockchain development with the focus of the web3.js library. If you're interested in building a decentralized application or interacting with Ethereum blockchain or Ethereum-based blockchain, this video is for you. So let's get started. What is the web3.js? Well, web3.js is the JavaScript library that allows you to interact with Ethereum and Ethereum-compatible blockchains. So why you should use web3.js? Well, with the rise of decentralized application or dApps, it's crucial to have a tool that lets you seamlessly integrate blockchain functionality into your web application. Whether you want to build a crypto wallet or decentralized exchange or other blockchain-based application, web3.js simplifies the process. I suggest you to start from the web3.js.org website. Here you can find documentation link, join to Discord to ask any question and read some examples like interacting with smart contracts or listen on-chain events, fetching data from the blockchain, and how to use built-in utils to simplify your code. As with any technology, having access to a strong community and resources is essential. Web3.js has an active community and you can find extensive documentation, tutorials and code samples on this GitHub page and various forums. Okay, let's dive into coding. First of all, make sure the Node.js installed on your computer. If not, you can go to the Node.js website and go to the instructions how to install it on your computer. And run npm init command. This will initialize our packages zone, our project. Then we need to install the web3. For this, just run npm install web3 and create index.js file. So inside this file, let's type import web3 from web3 and make some test asynchronous function to run our code inside. And run this function and catch the error. Let's create the instance of the web3. For this, just use the const web3 new web3 and pass the provider inside. It can be a string or provider class. And then just try the simple function, this web3 is getBalance, to check the balance of the Ethereum on the specific wallet. Input the result to the const balance and console log it. Okay, to run this code, let's use npx test node and then name of the file. In our case, it's index.js, and run this function. It will build TypeScript and to JavaScript internally and run the code. Okay, as you see, we received the balance of the Ethereum in way. Web3.js has utils inside, so we can use it to convert way balance to the Ethereum balance. Web3 utils from way, set the balance and Ethereum. And run this code. As you see, we have the balance 0.97 Ethereum on this address. Utils has a lot of functions inside, so we just use only one of them. If you want to learn more about the utils, you can go to the documentation of the website and learn about this. Let's go back to the documentation website and found the section transactions, local wallet. And now we can try to make a transaction and send to the blockchain. For this, just copy this example, create a new file, send.txt, pass the example here, and copy provider. To send transaction to the Ethereum blockchain, we need to sign this transaction. And the magic happens inside the web3.js library if we use the web3 as accounts wallet. So we just can add the private key to the wallet and it creates account inside. And then we can send transaction from the address of this wallet, and it will sign automatically inside and send the transaction to the Ethereum blockchain. For this, just use the web3 send transaction function and set params like to the recipient, value, it is how much we want to send in a way, and gas, this is how much we will pay for the transaction, and from address. Let's cover our code with test function. It should be synchronous, and run this function with console error. Move our code inside this function, and also remove all comments, we don't need them. I want to check the balance of the recipient before I send the transaction and after. So let's add the web3 as get balance and console log it. It will be balance before. And the same after transaction, it will be balance after. And also I want to see the receipt of the transaction. So console log the receipt. Let's run our code. Okay, I just received balance before the transaction receipt. You can see here the status one, how much gas was used, and the balance after. You see it's just increment by 1 because we sent one way. Okay, it was just simple example. And if you want to use the web3.js library with the React app, I have the article for you. This is step-by-step instruction how to create React application using web3.js. This application is a simple wallet app. So you can add ERC20 token, check the balance of the tokens, send tokens, etc. etc. All code published in the GitHub. I will leave the link of this article in the description. In conclusion, web3.js is a powerful tool that simplifies blockchain development and makes it accessible to JavaScript developers. Whether you build decentralized apps, exploring the world of blockchain, or just curious, web3.js is a valuable addition to your toolkit. So start experimenting, and who knows what amazing blockchain application you will create. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any question, please leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and push that notification bell to more exciting blockchain and technology content. Until next time, happy coding, guys!